In this video, I'll show you how to complete the Use the Store Discovery Queue task for the Pillar of Community badge on Steam in just a few minutes. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your Steam application. If you're not logged in yet, click the Login button, enter your account details, and sign in. Once you're on the homepage, head to the top right corner and click on your profile name. From the drop-down menu, select View My Profile. On your profile page, find and click the Badges section. Scroll down until you see the Pillar of Community badge. This is where you'll track your progress, and today we're focusing on completing the Discovery Queue task. Next, go to the Store tab at the top of Steam. Look for the Discovery Queue option and click on it. You'll see a button prompting you to begin. Go ahead and start exploring your queue. Now, simply click Next in Queue to move through the recommended games. Keep clicking through each suggestion. You don't need to take any specific action. Just continue until you reach the end of the queue. Once you've viewed all the games, click Finish Queue. That's it. You've completed the task. To confirm, return to your profile, go back to Badges, and open the Pillar of Community badge again. You should now see that the Discovery Queue task is marked as complete, and that's all there is to it. You're one step closer to finishing your badge and boosting your Steam profile. Thanks for watching and enjoy your gaming.